Hi, I'm Muriel McNair, and this is my presentation on steps to maintaining a professional image. What is a professional image? Your professional image is yours to create and define. Here are some key bulletin points on some things that you can either adjust, manipulate, add to, and think about as you're considering what you want your professional image to look like. First, we're going to start with your personality, your attitude, your character. And remember to talk less and listen more. Also, control your emotions. When people say things out of respect, you should respond but not react. And respond pleasantly. Be pleasant and gracious. Have a pleasant sense of humor. Always practice good manners. Pay close attention to your mannerism, and also your communication skills has a strong impact on your professionalism. Personal hygiene, excuse me, is also a big influence on your professionalism. As a beauty professional, it's important to always be neat and clean and have a neat and pleasant scent. Also, personal hygiene is required daily. The maintenance of cleanliness by providing good, healthy habits, flossing, showering, bathing, those types of things should, we're working with people, so therefore, you wouldn't want someone providing a service to you and they're not keeping their personal hygiene correctly, and you're going to, it won't be a pleasant experience, but we want to provide clients a pleasant experience, period. Personal grooming, dress for success. Being a professional, just like being a police officer or a teacher or a mom, I'll go back with the analogy as a police officer. You can fully get into character when you have that uniform on. So when you're wearing your scrubs or when you're dressed professionally for your position, you are into character. You know what you're supposed to do, and you're showing your clients what you're supposed to do by your uniform. And your hair maintenance, if you have locks or a nice cut, you want to be mindful of how you're presenting yourself to maintain your professional image. Your skin care and makeup shouldn't be the first thing that someone sees. When they look at you, you want to keep it professional and you want to keep it nice and neat, just to have a sense of of decency and courtesy about yourself. I also forgot to mention, with the personal hygiene, it would also be helpful if you guys had a personal hygiene bag, either that you kept at work or you kept with you, and some of the following items that you could have in the personal hygiene bag: toothpaste, mouthwash, hand sanitizer, baby wipes, deodorant or antiperspirant, just to keep your body fresh at all times. It could be hot, maybe the AC went out at the salon, and you've been sweating profusely. You don't want to reek of sweat or whatnot, so you could touch up areas that you might need to touch up just to be fresh and clean as possible. Oh, nail care is the last thing with our personal grooming, and you don't want your nails too long. You don't want to endanger anyone. You don't want to accidentally hit someone's eye, or your nails to be jagged. You would like them neatly manicured, and you also like jagged edges filed down, just to also incorporate your positive and nice personal appearance. Personal health is another part of your personal image, or professional image, excuse me. Your personal health has a lot to do with your professional image, because your nutrition. One suggestion that I could make is that I've lost some weight, and what I've done to incorporate my weight loss is to make better choices. I pack my lunch. I'm not tempted to go and get something that's unhealthy, and it goes your diet. I'm sorry that it stopped recording. Your personal well-being, your lifestyle, behavior choices. You want to maintain a balance type of situation with your body. That includes exercising, taking walks when you get frustrated, just giving yourself a break from the day. Your physical appearance, you want to make sure that you're neat, your clothes are neat, they fit you nicely, and practice in a high standard of sanitation. You want to make sure your area is clean, and there's not, is neat, clean, and presentable. And last but not least, your rest and relaxation. You want to make sure that you schedule some type of downtime for yourself, so you can just mentally recollect yourself. Physical presentation involves your, Physical presentation involves your posture and the way that you walk and move, and make sure that you're aware of your posture. Posture keeps your neck elongated and balanced and directly above your shoulders. Lift your upper body so that your chest is out and up. Also hold your shoulders leveled and relaxed, and sit with your back straight up. This will help out, especially with I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. Please bear with me. Professional behaviors, getting ahead of me. The perfect. I apologize. I was saying when I practiced this, it went out with no hitches, and here comes the glitches in the matrix, but it's okay. Professional behavior. I'm so frustrated right now, but I'm not going to let that get to me. Well, this slide will not stay still. I'm trying to get it to stay still. I'm sorry. It's a lapse and stuff. My microphone has stopped working. This is really crazy. But anyway, far as social media behaviors, the do's, manage your personal page. I personally suggest that you have two different pages. You would have a personal page, a business page, and your personal page is your personal page, and they separate and you don't intertwine the two. That's what I personally believe with social media. Social media is a great tool to use to advertise yourself, your products, to post helpful content. The don'ts, using profane language, participating in or entertaining arguments online. Those are some things that you should not do. And last but not least, be confident in yourself. Here we go. Be confident. Be driven towards your short-term and long-term goals. Being able to perform at your peak performance. I'm just gonna reiterate some of the things that we went over in my presentation. About your personality and your attitude. Your attitude always determines your altitude. Nobody wants to take advice from someone who is not the part. So if your professional image is a little shaky, you can reevaluate some of the key points that we went over in this presentation. I hope this presentation was helpful. I'm sorry it was all over the place, but I thank you for your time, and I hope you guys have a great day.